Welcome to the live trading analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty using volume spread analysis. And this upcoming video which you're gonna watch right now is a recorded version because when I was making content for YouTube, the first series of my channel, I was preparing a basic series. Those time I recorded a live trading and I kept it aside. I thought I'm not going to share it because live trading is meant to be, let's say I'm trading today and I have to upload it the same day so that my viewers can understand the trade on the real time. But this is one of the examples which I'm going to share right now, so I hope you learn something out of this video. And in the upcoming videos, like in the upcoming time, I'll be doing a lot of live trading also. So I hope you understand this, and let's get on with the video now. So today we are trading Nifty Futures. So basically I'm analyzing Nifty Futures, but I'm trading in the form of option buying. So right now my strike price is ready. Right now I'm looking for a sell uh, trade as actually. So now Nifty is facing support. I'm waiting for a confirmation right here to take that entry. Right now demand is being reduced in the markets in the form of no demand, and I want these levels to be broken. Once broken, I can have my first target right here. If I have more weakness or more weakness in the market, I would continue the trade. Otherwise, I'm going to book my trade exactly at around 17,250 and stuff. And Nifty has been on a range for a very long time as of now, you can see, and it has been creating cause from 8th September to 9th September. At almost 2 days it has been creating cause. So I'm sure like once cause has been created, we should definitely see an effect. Means one sideways market, we should always see a trending market, right? So that's the nature of the markets. Now I'm expecting a momentum in the markets. It could be any type of momentum. If I'm taking a trade, I'm gonna take on a perfect setup. If I'm missing the opportunity, I'm not gonna take any trades. Okay, so I'll keep you guys updated. Time right now is 9:43 and the date is around 13 September. You can see. So let's see what happens. Okay, I'll keep you guys updated. So the trade has already been executed. So after this confirmation bar, I have taken the trade. I had a particular support right here. I was wondering that this support will break actually, because lot of time this support is getting weak and weak again and again. That's why I've taken the trade right now. My target is around these levels, but I can exit exactly around these 17,260. Let's assume 17,275 also, but my stop loss right here is only 4 points. If you assume that right now my trade is already been executed at 48.50, and I have taken only one lot trade in this video because only for YouTube purposes, and my stop loss is around 5 points. I can exit at break even levels, or I can exit at 3 points or 4 points also if I see any strength in the markets or weakness in the markets. uh, let's see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so updates on the trade. The time is around 10:18 right now, and I have booked my order profits actually. Let me refresh my profits. Yeah, you can see I entered around 48.50 and I exited around 59.75. Let me explain the trade right now. So right now, market, what happened right now? Market created a completely cause has been created in the markets based on volume spread analysis, and now market broke these levels and came back for a testing. Now once testing was completed, we had a no demand plus a confirmation bar. I've entered a trade, kept my stop loss above this particular bar at 9:45 5-minute time frame bar, and I left my targets. Okay, now my initial target was around 17,250, but due to strength being increased in the market, I exited the trade. Okay, why I exited the trade? Assume this: the 915's bar strength was 284.1k. The volume was 284.1k, but right now it was completely increased around 290.2. You can see the volume right here, 290.2k. So completely it's a sign that market is reversing from these levels. The probability, it might continue, we don't know about it, Market is a game of probability. Anything can happen in the market, but according to our system we have to trade it, right? So right now the strength was completely been increased. That's why I was cautious, like, okay, so now strength has been increased. I'm gonna exit my trade. And by the way, I booked 10 points. My initial targets are more than 10 points, right? 10 or more than 10 points in option buying. It could be any strike price. I book more than 10 points for sure, 100%. Or I book at the break even level so that I don't have any losses if market is supposed to reverse or it is supposed to hit my stop loss. So that's what I do most of the times. That's my risk management. But right now market was supposed to reverse, and yes, market is reversing. And exactly, it's been going as predicted. So this video is specially to understand how volume spread analysis work in the market only for YouTube purposes. I don't do live trading videos every single day. Just I recorded this particular session only to for viewers to understand how volume spread analysis work. Okay, so that's it from my side. Please make sure you complete the volume spread analysis basic series in the playlist section so that you understand volume spread analysis more. Okay, so thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.